Kia ora, ko Sharon Holt tōku ingoa. I think a good phrase for this week is kind of going back and remembering when we're very beginners of Te Reo Māori, we often learn how to say our name, ko Sharon Holt tōku ingoa, and we often learn how to ask somebody how they are. And I wonder whether we carry on doing that with children, because it's a really nice thing to say in the morning when they turn up in the classroom. Kei te pēhea koe. So kei te is the present tense. Pēhea is how are you, and this is koe, you. Kei te pēhea koe. And that might be for some dialects kei te pēwhia koe, or you can also hear it as e pēwhia ana koe or e pēhea ana koe, and there are other parts of New Zealand where they say that differently. So whatever it is in your part of Aotearoa, New Zealand, say that. But this is the one that we've got in our book, Kia ora. So in Kia ora, where this little boy is going around all his family members and asking them, kei te pēhea koe, how are you? Kia ora mama, kei te pēhea koe, how are you? And she's saying, in this one she's saying, kei te wera aho, I'm hot, because it's very hot work in the kitchen. And then the next person he's going to ask is his granddad. So when you're asking children, kei te pēhea koe, you can say, you can say, kia ora Jonah, kei te pēhea koe, how are you? And just get them used to it that way. And then you can also sing this song as a thing in a circle with children and get them to answer how they're feeling. So it's something that can lead into a lot of feeling questions, or it can be just as simple as asking people when you first see them each day, kei te pēhea koe. And I think that's a really lovely phrase to add to your kete if you're not already doing that. Ka kite.